Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's solve for A and B here, okay? So to solve for A and B, first of all, let's represent square root of A by a variable. So let square root of A be X and that of B Y. So from here, we can say X plus Y equals to 7. Let's name it equation 1. And X minus Y equals to 1. Be equation 2. Now from here we can add the two equations which will get rid of the Y. So equation 1 plus 2. So X plus X 2X. Then Y minus Y will go 7 plus 1 8. From here you can divide both sides by 2. So X is straight away 4. Alright, so we have X equals to 4. And let's use any of the equation to solve for Y. From 2, X minus Y equals to 1. But X is 4. Minus Y equals to 1. 4 minus 1 is the same as Y. Therefore, Y is 3. Now remember, we represented root 2 by X and root B by Y. So let's do substitution. X3, Y4. So let's recall. Square root of A equals to X. But X is 4. So square root of A equals 4. Once we squared both sides, A is 16. Now from here, square root of B is also 3. And once we square both sides, B 3 squared 9. As simple as that.